Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change your TikTok username before the 30-day restriction period. First, go to your profile and tap Edit Profile. Try changing your username like normal. If TikTok blocks you because 30 days haven't passed yet, don't worry, here's the trick. Go to Settings, tap the three lines in the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and click Report a Problem. Use the search bar to type username. Tap the username. When asked, "Is your problem resolved?" tap No. Then tap Need more help. The message box explain politely. "Hi, I changed my username by mistake and need to update it again. I'm currently restricted by the 30-day limit. Hope you can help me fix this. Thanks." Wait for TikTok's response. Submit the form and wait until 1 to 2 days. If approved, TikTok will lift the restriction and let you change your username again. That's it. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.